Hi everyone, this is Teacher Batul and welcome back to my channel, my ESL Nook. So today we're diving right into the ultimate travel vocabulary list. So whether you're planning your next adventure or just dreaming about it, these 50 must-know travel words will help you navigate any trip like a pro. And with each one of them, I'll be giving you examples on how to use them. So let's get started. So the first one we have here is, of course, airport. We arrived at the airport 2 hours before our flight. Luggage. I packed my luggage the night before my trip. Boarding pass. You need to show your boarding pass before getting on the plane. Check-in. We checked in online to save time at the airport. Departure. Our departure time is scheduled for 10 a.m. Arrival. We are expecting a smooth arrival in Paris. Flight. The flight to New York was delayed due to bad weather. Passport. Don't forget to bring your passport when you travel internationally. Customs. We went through customs quickly since we had nothing to declare. Baggage claim. After landing, we went to the baggage claim to pick up our suitcases. Security check. You must pass through the security check before entering the terminal. Gate. Our flight departs from gate A1. Terminal. We waited in the terminal for our flight to board. Layover. We have a 2-hour layover in Frankfurt. Jet lag. I always experience jet lag after long flights. Travel insurance. It's a good idea to buy travel insurance before your trip. Tourist. The city is full of tourists during the summer. Itinerary. Our travel itinerary includes visits to several museums and landmarks. Accommodation. We booked our accommodation through an online travel site. Hotel. The hotel offers free breakfast and Wi-Fi. Hostel. We stayed in a hostel to save money on our trip. Reservation. We made a dinner reservation at a popular restaurant. Tour guide. The tour guide explained the history of the ancient ruins. Sightseeing. We spent the day sightseeing in Rome. Souvenir. I bought a souvenir from the gift shop as a memento of our trip. Backpacker. He traveled through Europe as a backpacker. Map. We used a map to navigate the city. Travel agent. The travel agent helped us plan our vacation. Currency exchange. We went to the currency exchange to get some local money. Tourist attraction. The Eiffel Tower is a famous tourist attraction. Excursion. We went on a day excursion to the nearby islands. Visa. She applied for a tourist visa before her trip. Embassy. We went to the embassy to renew our passports. Budget. We had a limited budget for our vacation. Taxi. We took a taxi from the airport to our hotel. Bus. The city's bus system is very efficient. Train. We traveled from Paris to London by train. Car rental. We rented a car to explore the countryside. Cruise. We went on a Caribbean cruise for our honeymoon. Flight attendant. The flight attendant served drinks and snacks during the flight. Pilot. The pilot announced that we would be landing soon. Connecting flight. We had to rush to catch our connecting flight from New York to London. Language barrier. We encountered a language barrier but managed to communicate with gestures. Destination. After a long journey, we finally reached our destination in Istanbul. Travel guidebook. We bought a travel guidebook to help us plan our activities. Scenic. The scenic route offered beautiful views of the mountains. Local cuisine. We tried the local cuisine and loved the traditional dishes. Festival. We attended a local festival and enjoyed the cultural performances. Emergency contact. Always have an emergency contact when traveling abroad. Memorable. Our trip to Greece was a truly memorable experience. Okay guys, if you learned something new and enjoyed this video, please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video, and until then, happy learning!